Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Morphe collection Free to Be. So if you guys want to know more about it, keep watching. Alright, so like I said in my intro, I'll be doing just a quick look at the Morphe collection Free to Be. And for those of you who do not know what Free to Be is or what the collection is, it has to do with Pride Month, which, happy Pride Month. So, the new Morphe collection has to do with that. 100% of the net proceeds do go to the GLSEN nonprofit organization. For those of you who do not know what GLSEN is, it is a nonprofit organization out of, I believe, New York. They do work with LGBTQ students, so like K through 12, I believe. I'll link something down below for you guys to kind of check out that website. I am a huge Morphe supporter. I am a huge Pride supporter, so I had to definitely jump on this line. But it took me a minute to get it just because shipping times are so long right now. But I'm excited to kind of show you guys what it is. This video is just going to be a quick kind of show you what it is. Let's talk about it a little bit. I am wearing some of the products today. Like I have the lip gloss on, and I do have some of the eyeshadows on my eyes today. So I figured I'd put a little bit on and kind of talk to you about the collection a little bit. So let's jump right in. But the Free to Be You line does have, I believe, 4 items in the line itself. It does have a brush set, a eyeshadow set, the continuous mist spray, and a lip gloss. So I'll be showing you guys all those things that I got today. So the first product in the Free to Be collection by Morphe is the A Better World brush collection. You do get 6 brushes in this, and it comes in this really cute holographic fun bag. So everything is like rainbowed, that type of thing. So I haven't actually looked at the brushes yet. So we're gonna pull these out. Take out the paper. Any brushes come in this little pack. We'll go ahead and open those up. And, well, see if I can get them out. So you do get 6 different brushes. They are all this cute white handle with the kind of rainbow metallic-y type of color here, and obviously the brush. I do believe you get a couple eyeshadow brushes. Let's see, like a liner brush, a crease brush. So you get 6 very cute brushes along with the holographic case to keep them in. I was actually needing new brushes anyway, so I'm really glad I was able to get my hands on these. Especially like eye brushes, because I think I really only have like 5 of them. So I definitely need to get more. I did not actually use these today just because I wanted to have them fresh and clean for when I showed you guys. But for my eye look today, I did use a lot of other Morphe brushes. I really do like their brushes, and I'll kind of pop this one out just because they are really soft. You can kind of see the bristles here. But the brushes themselves are really soft. I rarely ever get any sort of like shedding, so I do really like the Morphe brushes. The brush set does retail for about $26. Second thing we have up is the lip gloss. It is going to be the shade Speak Out, which I am wearing on my lips today. It's more like a clear kind of like rainbowy type of color, if you will. I will take it out of the packaging. It's very cute packaging. So like the gloss itself, it kind of looks kind of pink in the thing, or pink in the tube, and then the handle is kind of shaped kind of triangularly. So I really love this gloss, and you guys know I'm not like a fan of sticky glosses. This one is not sticky, and I'll kind of just put a little bit more on for you guys. So, as you can see, it is very shiny, very shimmery, and this can be paired like over like a more of a pinker type of lipstick, and then you pop the gloss on. I actually do not have any sort of lipstick on, so this is about like 2 layers of the actual gloss itself. So it did come out a little bit more on pinky, like shimmery side type of shade. like I said, not sticky at all. I'm not a fan of sticky lip glosses. So Morphe definitely is on the top of my list as far as favorite lip glosses go. This particular lip gloss in the shade Speak Out does retail for about $9 online. Alright, next up in the line is just their continuous setting mist spray. So nothing like new as far as the spray goes. I believe it is still the same formula. It just comes in this really cute like Pride packaging. So as you can see, like the Morphe logo is in the Pride colors, so the rainbow. But yeah, like I said, nothing super fancy as far as the mist itself goes. Just the packaging color, it is still the same mist. I love their continuous spray mist. I like anything aerosol and anything like sprays it out, and it leaves like a really fine light mist, so I feel like it sets really well. So I'm gonna just spritz my face with this real quick. And it does have a bit of a scent to it, but after the first spray I really don't smell it anymore. But it leaves your skin looking really fresh and really glowy. Their setting mist is one of my go-tos. That particular setting mist does retail for about $16 online. And then last but not least is their makeup palette. It is the 10G Glisten Up palette. So this one, it's 10 different shades. They are all more of like a glittery type of shades. So I am wearing three of the colors on my lids today, which when I open this up, I'll kind of point it out. It's not like a super like crazy look. I just did kind of more like of a yellowy sunshine with a little bit of blue. You can kind of see I didn't want it to be like super strong. I just wanted something to kind of match my shirt. So I'm going to open this up real quick and then I will swatch it as well. This palette does retail for about $18 online. So this is what the palette looks like. It is gorgeous. I love the packaging. All the packaging on this is magnificent. So you open it up, it does come with this fancy mirror here, and here are the shades. So you can kind of tell I've used the blue already, but it does come with these super metallic-y type of shades, and these ones are more of just a light shimmer. So I will kind of test these out for you guys real quick. Let's see. Alright, so I'm going to swatch these really quickly on my arm, and I'll come back on camera so I can show you what all the swatches look like with my skin tone. Each of these are probably going to be like 2 passes on the pan, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I just swatched the different colors. So what I noticed while I was swatching, the top ones are more of like your light shimmery colors, which is what I used on my eyes today. I did use Blaze a Trail and Shine Hope on my eyelids today, and then I did take Inspire Change, the blue color, just along my waterline, just to kind of give myself a little bit of blue pop. I did have like the blue and yellow on my shirt today, so I was trying to match it up a little bit with that. The colors on the bottom of the pan here, or bottom of the palette here, are definitely more of like your chunkier, like glitter type of shades. I noticed that more while I was swatching, especially in the shade Respect here. That one was a little bit more like chunky, glittery than the other ones, but they all swatched really well. So I'm gonna put that down and kind of see if I can bring my camera over to my arm and kind of show you guys that way. Alright, so hopefully I can kind of show you all of these right here, which of course my camera battery is about to die, but this is the shade Respect. This one is Dream Big. This one here is Live Your Life. This one is Be a Visionary, and this one is Love Yourself. So those ones are more of like your thicker, chunkier glitter shades. And then right here, this one is Accept Everyone. This one is Inspire Change. This one is Shine Hope, Blaze a Trail, and then Keep It Kind here in the pink. So those ones are a little harder to see versus like these ones down here that you'll see. And I'll kind of pull my arm back. There is a high quality shine to all of these. I can't wait to really start diving into more of these glitter shades right here. Super excited about that. Alright guys, so that's really it as far as the line. Like I said, they do have the eyeshadow palette, the continuous mist spray, the lip gloss, and then the eyeshadow brushes. All of the proceeds, once again, do go to GLSEN.org. So those of you who are able and want to donate to that type of cause, you can easily do that by buying the Morphe Free to Be collection. I was super excited when I saw this collection. All the links will be listed down below for anyone who wants to get anything from this line. I believe they're doing the proceeds up until like July, so I don't know if that's like middle of July or... But yeah, what was your thoughts about the video? What are some of your favorite products from the line? Have you guys got anything from the line? I'd love to know down below. Definitely let me know. I'll probably be doing a bit more of a glammed up version of a makeup look from this eyeshadow palette. Definitely keep an eye either on my Instagram or maybe on my YouTube channel as far as that look goes. I'm not 100% sure where I'll post it at just yet. Also, let me know down below, what is your favorite color from that makeup palette? I'd probably say my favorite shade is either the Respect shade or the Blaze a Trail shade. Not sure. I'm really into yellows right now, as you can tell by my shirt, or maybe like a yellowy, orangey color right now. Maybe that'll actually be my next hair color. Who knows? But that's all I have for this video this week. I will catch you guys next week.